This section will provide a short introduction to rigging and slinging. The purpose of this CBT is to provide general guidelines on the safe use of rigging equipment. It does not cover all types of equipment, nor does it cover all aspects of its use. But efforts have been made to cover the most common used equipment on ships and rigs, and provide the most relevant information on each type of equipment. SWL, Safe Working Load. The maximum load that a sling or lifting accessory is certified to sustain in general service. Lifting appliance. A machine or appliance used for lifting goods, materials, and/or personnel. Lifting gear. Chains, shackles, hooks, swivels, turnbuckles, clamps, soft slings, etc., which do not form parts of the permanent arrangement to the lifting appliance. There are several different rules and regulations regarding lifting equipment and operations in force around the world, both international and national rules. In general, international rules will apply, but if national rules exist, these will take precedence. Thus, it will be too ambitious to try to cover all applicable rules here. Therefore, it is not the intention to provide guidelines which comply to any particular rules or regulations in this CBT, but rather to provide general guidelines and recommendations based on common sense and good workmanship. The rigger must himself make sure that all applicable rules and regulations are complied with in his workplace, in each individual case. Any person using lifting equipment must be properly trained in the safe use of the equipment. He must also be knowledgeable of the capabilities and limitations of the equipment, as well as being aware of any malfunctions likely to happen during its operation. The use of certain equipment may also need formal training or education. Please refer to manuals and company regulations. Never use homemade or uncertified lifting equipment. Never stand below a load or between loads and walls, bulkheads, containers, etc. Never travel a load over personnel. Never exceed the SWL of any equipment. Always carry out a pre-use examination of the lifting equipment. Withdraw equipment that fails the examination from service, or if in doubt. Always use a helmet and other applicable protective clothing.